You know, this episode is all about recipe redemption. So we're actually making a classic cocktail called the Redemption.
Okay.
Have you ever had this before?
Possibly, but maybe I don't remember it.
Yeah. Well, you start with a little bit of ice in a shaker, and then we've got some really good bourbon. And we're gonna start with just about an ounce each. If you wanna just use the jigger and go for it right in there. And then what makes this, it's kind of like a Manhattan, but a little bit more citrusy, right, Ashley? I mean, really, really light, really nice. And then
Like right home.
a little, exactly. And then a little bit of vermouth. So right in there, yep.
Okay,
and
that's
then
also...
Sweet vermouth, yep.
Got it.
And then we've got some orange bitters. Just give it a couple dashes, just eye it. I'm scared to ask Kenji to eye. Like, I feel like you want to measure it. And then shake it up, buddy.
I eyeball everything.
Yeah. And then you really want to shake it up. Guys, we say this all the time. It's happy mistakes. But
Rinse this off.
I love it. I would never rinse that off. I would never rinse that
I
off.
would do it if I was at home.
Yeah, he's like, well, we are on TV in front of millions of people. All right.
The alcohol kills it.
Yeah, it's really important as Kenji shakes this. You really got to shake a cocktail, not just 2 shakes. This really chills it. I'm gonna let you go until you pass out. Keep going, baby. Keep going.
You know what's really cool? When you shake a cocktail on ice, the combination of alcohol, water, and ice, when you shake them, they actually drop to below the freezing temperature of the ice. So even if your ice was at 0 degrees, this whole mixture, once you start to shake it, will actually drop below that temperature.
What? Really?
Yeah, it's really crazy.
That's so
read
cool.
Dave Arnold's cocktail book. It'll explain all the science.
Do you understand why this guy writes encyclopedias? Like, this is why he does it. It's unbelievable. Go for it, baby.
Yeah.
We're gonna drop a couple lemon twists in there, and oh, that looks frothy and delicious. Yeah, this is what I want. And by the way, so glad to hear you haven't eaten anything today, because this is gonna hit hard. This is gonna hit really hard. First and foremost, listen, this is to all the mistakes out there, because honestly, that makes the best food. But honestly, Kenji, this is to you. You are such an inspiration to so many of us. So thank you for being here. You rock.
So much for having me.
I want to thank you guys, our studio audience. You guys are amazing, and everyone who tuned in at home. We'll catch you next time. Make sure to make those mistakes and enjoy some amazing food. See you next time. See you, everyone.